Good morning, kids. Enjoy Swami Narayan. Kids, open your English notebook and see here. Write down date first. Today's date is 22 April 2021. Right? And kids, we had already done our A sound words in English notebook. Right? So see here. Repeat with me. BAT bat, MAT mat, HAT hat, CAT cat, CAN can, PAN pan, FN fan, and VAN van. So kids, this one is your classwork, right? And now see here, you have to write again in your homework. BAT bat, MAT mat, HAT hat, CAT cat, and in this line CAN can, PAN pan, FAN fan, and VAN van. So kids, this one is your homework and you have to complete this homework in your English notebook, right? Thank you and have a nice day.